Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's Monday here in Cape Town and I hope you all had a fantastic weekend. I really enjoyed watching the NITO ATB tennis finals. It was very interesting to see both the youngsters getting through to the final, beating the number 1 and 2 in the world, and then a great win for Daniel Medvedev, one of my favorite players along with Dominic Thiem and Tsitsipas. So yeah, what a good way to end the year. It's been tough for all the tennis players, but at least us as the fans got to watch a little bit of tennis, even though there were lockdown restrictions in place. So today we are going to do a swipe again. As you can see, I'm doing a split color swipe. My base colors today are beautiful Dutch orange and just a nice neutral gray. And then the colors that I'll be swiping with, of course, my normal beautiful deep purple. I've got the cadmium yellow, which I chose because, I chose all these colors because I thought they'd go quite well with the grey. Then we've got my rose madder, which is a sort of a pinky color, and then my swipe colors are the same colors as this. So I've got the grey and the orange to swipe with. So let us begin. I think the first thing we'll do is get the paint down, and then I will come back for the first swipe. There we go, I've got the first color down, so I'll be swiping this way first, and so I'll be using my orange mix as the swipe color. There we go, let's see how this turns out. There we go, that's the first side. Let me flip this around. Right, let's get going with the second one and do slightly different color order. Right, there we go, guys. There's quite a lot of pink there coming through there, but let me just give it a bit of a flame and let's see what happens here. Yeah, it's looking much better, much better. Amazing how the second swipe always seems to sort of even things out. There we go, yeah, some nice cells coming through here now. I like it, except I seem to have taken all the color off the edge there on that side, but what can you do? Yeah, some beautiful cells coming up here. I'm hoping it's going to happen on this side as well. Right guys, there we go. An interesting result to say the least. It's a lot of cells on both sides actually. They seem a bit bigger on this side for some reason. But yeah, I'm not sure about the color combination. There's quite a lot of orange on that side, I guess because of the base layer. But yeah, not a bad effort at all. I haven't really done a grey painting before, so interesting to see how it turned out. And as always, you know I love the swipe. It always creates the nicest paintings for me. So yeah, I'm not too unhappy with that. I think also once the cells develop a bit more, we're gonna see a little bit more of the colors coming through. But yeah, very happy about that. And yeah, let's see how it turns out. I actually bought some casting resin on the weekend, so I'm going to try and resin a few of my paintings just to see how it works out. Everyone's paintings that I've seen that they've covered in resin actually look stunning because it sort of makes the paint a little brighter for some reason. So I will video that later in the week when I do that, and hopefully it turns out nicely and I don't ruin one of my paintings. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as always. I can see a few more purple cells coming out here as I'm talking. Yeah, I'll be back later in the week. Sorry I didn't do as many pours last week as I promised. I was looking to do 2, but then ended up going for my first kite surf in about 18 months on Wednesday. And the days after that were hell. My body was super stiff and I didn't really feel like doing anything. So I'm glad to be back at it. And yeah, hope you guys are well, and I'll catch you in the next video. Here's a close-up. Cheers.